The first thing you must have is this thread and a thin needle that can pass through small glass beads. You will have to tie 2 or 3 knots on the thread. Now count 40 for orange beads with the needle. This will be the foundation of the mat, but if you want a wider mat, you will add more beads. They must be even numbers. The beads must be at least 8, and they are counted as 4 by 2, but in this case, I did 4 by 11. That is a total of 44 beads. The beads cannot be 10 or 30. It must be a number that can be divided by 4. Pick extra 4 beads, then count 3 already picked beads among the 44, then pass the needle through the 4th bead. Count 3 beads with the needle, then pass the needle through the 4th bead. Tighten the thread and repeat the last process. Watch this part keenly because this is where everybody always go wrong. How to end and turn back. Pick 4 beads with the needle. Then pass the needle through the 2nd bead, which is the bead at the center. Now pick 3 beads, then pass the needle through the middle bead. video I will show you what to do when the thread on the needle is getting small. Please subscribe.